Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
For a 2013 Buick Enclave, the only reliable programming route uses factory-level diagnostic tools. The vehicle stores fob codes in a secured module and rejects DIY reprogramming attempts. Bring the VIN and proof of ownership, such as the registration or title, because the dealer or certified locksmith will confirm you are the legal owner. Make sure the replacement fob is compatible for a 2013 Enclave and has a fresh or charged 12V internal battery, so the transponder and remote. A certified technician connects a factory diagnostic tool, for example GM Tech 2 or MDI, to the OBD2 port under the dash and accesses the body control module. Using the VIN and dealer system, they retrieve or generate the vehicle's security PIN, enter security mode, and add the new fob to the vehicle's immobilizer and remote list. The tech programs the transponder and remote functions, then verifies remote lock, unlock, panic, and remote start if equipped. The full process normally takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Costs vary. Expect dealer or certified locksmith fees, usually between 0 and 00, depending on the key fob type and local rates. OEM fobs cost more than aftermarket units. Before arrival, bring photo ID, the vehicle title or registration, and the new or original fob. If the original is present, the tech can often clone or register the new unit faster. If you have multiple fobs, bring every working fob, because the technician commonly programs all fobs in one session to ensure none are erased.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.